Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I was able to turn 70 USDT into 240 USDT trading this TA coin. Okay, and I do believe that a lot of you people cash out from this TA coin because I dropped the signal at the community and also dropped a video about it. So let's dive into that quickly to see how we do.
Okay, let's dive into this. So I bought this particular coin with the sum of 70 USD at the rate of 10178. Look at this. I was given this particular volume. I used 70 USDT to purchase this particular volume. This is the volume. Okay, and I purchased it at this particular rate. Now you look at this. Okay, and I purchased it at this particular rate. So now let's see how much I was able to turn my 70 USD okay to. All right, so let's quickly go back there. Let's look at the chart. Click on here to look at the chart. Now let's go back to this particular rate that I bought this particular volume of coins. Okay, this, where was it? 10. Okay, it was here at 1078. Okay, write it down at 1078. So let's go back there. So if I bought it at 1078 with the volume of 70 USDT. Okay, so what did I make now when the coin went back to this particular range? Let's look at that range. It was 3.5. I sold it at 3.5. Okay, so if I sold it at 3.5, now let me copy this particular volume that I'm working with. Let me copy this particular volume, or let's just hold it 687.7. okay, 687.7. all right, so I will now come to this place now to input the volume of which I sold. It was at 3.5. You can see, wow, you can see it was just at 3.5, and look at how much I made. Okay, look at how much I made. I made over times 2 of my money, even times 3 of my money. Okay, you can see, I know a lot of people do cash out from this particular trade as well. Okay, because when I drop this, a lot of people dive into read to buy immediately without question. Okay, a lot of people dive into it to buy immediately without what? Without questions. Okay, now you see how I managed to turn this. You know what I did? What I did was just to grab an opportunity. Okay, to grab an opportunity. After making a little research, I realized that these TA coins are actually going to be great. Okay, and looking at this again, could this be another market opportunity? Okay, this could be another market opportunity. So without waste of time, you can just follow it up carefully. Okay, you follow it up carefully and see where exactly is going, so that you can dive into it and purchase it for yourself. All right, so without waste of time, I think this brings me to the end of this particular video. So always look at it in order for you to what, to know when to dive into the trade, and also when to sell and cash out your profits. So always look at it carefully, so that you will be able to be making a consistent profit. Okay.